What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I received all of the equipment from Drtuning. Before you start downloading information from your car to the computer, there are some steps that you have to follow first. You're going to be receiving a thank you for your order email from them. Within that email, there's going to be a list of instructions that you have to follow first. Now, it's going to have you download the Mazda Lite program, and it's going to have you register the program and the cable, where you choose which octane you want to use moving forward, and a list of mods that you have for your car. Once you've done all that, you're ready to start downloading information from your car to the computer. All right, so I have the port plugged in, and I have it plugged into the computer, and I have the Mazda Edit Lite program up. So now we're gonna hit the start button 2 times, click the flash utility. It was this guy right here, so I went ahead and clicked on that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on read information about ECU. New session started. Error, can't open. Port unable to connect to port. Errors occurred. Okay. There it is. Try that one. So that one can't be opened either. I guess we're just gonna have to mess around with it, and then I'll let you guys know which one worked. All right, so I got it to work. After I had the car on, I went through all these, and I actually had to install drivers. It says it in the instructions to make sure the drivers are updated, and I forgot to do that part. So make sure your drivers are updated and install those, and then once you do, go back into the program. And then what worked for me was, if you read it over here, Mazda Skyactiv 3 Mitsu. That's kind of where it cuts off, but I did that. It ended up turning off the whole car, and now it's just doing its thing. Again, this is just reading the ECU. I'm going to be sending this information over to Drtuned Racing. Alright guys, so it completed. When it completed, a pop-up window did come up, and it asked me to turn off the ignition switch, and then it had me turn it back on and then turn it back off. So now I'm going to go ahead and save it, and you have to save it with your first and last name, and then send it over to them through email, and then they send you the revision. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick.
1 week later.
We have the car turning on, and then I downloaded the files. So this is how the Mazda Edit program looks. You're gonna want to click on this right there, and then you're gonna want to click on this to open the file. All right, and then now that it shows up there and it's popped up, you're gonna want to hit the flash button, connect the OBD port. Okay. Car just went blank. Just restarted. It said it should take only like 5 to 6 minutes. So we got this pop up. So I'm gonna turn the ignition off. Please turn the ignition switch on. It is so hot in here. The operation completed successfully. Turn ignition off. Okay. So I am going to turn on the car here in a minute. Hopefully it turns on. All right, guys. All right. Cool. All right, guys. So this is like almost a week later after having the tune installed. I've been kind of driving it, but I went on vacation, so I haven't really had the time to really do anything with the car. But anyway, I have it all set up. We're going to be doing some data logging today. Basically, what you want to do is about 8 to 10 minutes of just some driving, accelerations, cruising, stuff like that. And then we're going to do some pulls in 2nd or 3rd gear at 2,000 RPMs up until red line, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. And yeah, it is a really nice day out today, but it's really hot. So to data log, you want to go to logging, log data to file. So that green bar came up, and that means we're good to go. I'm really hoping, because down this road there's really never anybody here, but I do see some cops. Uh-oh. I see you, dude. My car's a lot louder now, so I might go a little bit further down and then do the pulls they want. All right, let's try it. I forgot the shift. Alright, let's go one more time. I keep forgetting the freaking shift because I'm too busy looking at the camera. Oh my god. Here, we're gonna try it in sport mode, see if that makes any difference. That's going to be it for the data logging, so I'm going to go ahead and submit that information to them, and I guess we'll find out where we're going to be going from there. I'll be making a separate video when I get that information. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about setting up the data logging, because I didn't really go into detail with that, feel free to message me or message Drtuning. They'll answer anything over email. They're really good about answering really quick, so I like that a lot. So far, since I've been driving it, it's not a huge difference. Not a huge difference, but it feels kind of different. But yeah, guys. So again, this is just the first step. We'll see where it goes from here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.